I'm making amaranth bread on my Thermomix, so I'm gonna make a lot of recipes at once. Okay, I started with 3 cups. Started with 3 cups of amaranth. So I soaked overnight and I sprouted during the day, and it's gonna double up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about that much. So it's about double. I'm going to pour it right here. Because it's just easy to count it. So you wanna do 3 cups of this. So I'm doing 2 recipes that when you start with 3 cups, you can do 2 recipes. Okay, I'm going to turn on the Thermomix, and now I pour 3 cups of amaranth here, and in this one I pour 3 cups. So I like to do 2 at a time. And now I'm gonna add 1 cup of water to each one. So here's 1 cup. One cup. Now, let me turn this up. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. So I have here my coconut sugar. So I like to have everything ready. So this is 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. So since I'm doing 2, 1, 2, 3, so it's gonna be, so I'm gonna have bread for a full month because there's a lot of bread. And then I'm gonna get 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So this is about 1.5, because this is 1 teaspoon, so I'm putting half on top. So here 1.5, it'll be a little more. So this is 1, and then I'm gonna put the other half because I couldn't get it. Okay, so I got what I need. I have my water, I have my 3 tablespoons coconut sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm ready to blend it. So this is gonna take 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes because this takes time to grind the amaranth. So here's 6 minutes, and here the speed is gonna be, it's gonna start slow and then gonna go all the way. Okay, the mixture is ready. I'm just repositioning because it went all over. Same thing, I did something. So all this, I put it back into the blender. And then I'm adding the sweet potato. So here's the sweet potato. It's about 1 cup of the sweet potato, and I'm going to blend it for 20 seconds. That's all it needed. Oh, 20 seconds. Here's 20 seconds. Blended well, the 2 recipes I'm making, I pour it in this big container. So now I'm going to put the flowers. So since I'm doing double, here I have 1 cup of arrowroot for 1. So I'm doing 2 cups of arrowroot, and then I'm gonna make, this is the flaxseed, 1 cup, and 2 cups. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix it. I just need to go get my little thing that I mix it. So I'm gonna mix the flowers. And then okay, mix it well first. And now I'm gonna pour into the blended thing. Now I'm going to mix this and it's ready. Ready to pour into the cookie sheet with parchment paper. You have to mix it really well. I'm actually doing 2 more at once. So I have 4 recipes, and so somebody asked me, I'm just making a lot because I don't like to make it often. So I'll make it every month or 2. So I always have a lot. All right, so I'm gonna start pouring into the cookie. So ready to pour it. So just do 1 bread at a time. If you want it like a roll, make it a little fat, but my husband likes it flat because then you don't have to cut it in half when you toast it. And when you toast it, don't toast it for a long time because it's gonna be kind of like it's gonna look like it's uncooked inside. So just toast it like for very short time till it's warm. That's it, not hot or so just keep doing this, and I'm gonna bake it at 400 for 25 minutes and then turn it over for another 10 minutes and should be done.